Hi everyone, in this video we will see about EMF equation of synchronous generator. Before going to derive the EMF equation of alternator, first we need to consider some of the notations. So let we see some of the notations. P, number of poles, and N, speed of rotor in RPM. Z, number of conductors in series per phase. TPH, number of turns per phase, that is equal to Z by 2. One turn, if you want to form, we need 2 conductors. That's what TPH, number of turns per phase, is equal to ZPH by 2. F is equal to frequency of the induced EMF in Hertz. Pi, flux per pole in Webers, considered to be sinusoidally distributed. And KD, already we have seen in this KD, KP in previous video. KD is equal to distribution factor, KP is equal to pitch factor or coil span factor. KF, form factor. So form factor for sinusoidally varying wave always is equal to 1.11, right? So now we will derive the EMF equation of alternator. First one, total flux cut by one conductor in one rotation is equal to P pi, because alternator having P number of poles, the total flux cut by one conductor in one rotation is P pi. Time for one full rotation is equal to 1 by n minutes, that is equal to 60 by n seconds. So we are converting into seconds, so minutes we are converting into seconds, right? The rate of change of flux by one conductor according to Faraday's laws, d pi by dt. Substitute here d pi and dt, p pi by 60 by n, right? So next one, as we know that induced EMF is due to rate of change of flux cut by coils, the average induced EMF in Z conductors per phase. So alternator is having Z number of conductors per phase, that is ZPH. Now E average, that is total induced EMF in terms of average, is equal to pi Z P N by 60 volts, right? So frequency F is equal to Pn by 120. So this formula we got it from the synchronous speed formula. Ns is equal to 120 by F. F is equal to Pn by 120, right? So substitute F, the average EMF, the average induced EMF is equal to 2F Z by volts, right? So the average is equal to 4F by TPH. So always we will measure EMF in terms of RMS value. The form factor is equal to E RMS by E average. So from that relation, E RMS is equal to 1.11 into E average, right? So E RMS is equal to 4.44 F by TPH volts per phase. So that is equation 1, right? The modified EMF equation with these two factors taken into account will be, so the total EMF in alternator, so we have to consider the pitch factor and distribution factor. So finally EPH, induced EMF per phase, is equal to 4.44 F by TPH KP KD volts, right? Suppose the alternator is a star connected, the line voltage EL is equal to root 3 into EPH. Suppose the alternator is a delta connected armature winding, so EL is equal to EPH. So these relations already we have seen in three-phase circuits, right? Star connection and delta connection, right? According to armature winding, the line voltage will change. So armature winding is star connection, EL is equal to root 3 EPH. Armature is having a delta type connection, EL is equal to EPH. So this is a very important one. So one or two times we have to practice. So these questions, this EMF equation of alternator many times asked in VTU examinations. Practice this derivation. Okay. Thank you.